Hey, welcome back. So today we are learning MongoDB, and trust me, this is going to be super easy and fun. Listen, I don't care if you are brand new to coding. I don't care if this is your first time hearing the word database. After watching this video, you are going to get it. I promise. We are going to keep this simple, keep this fun, and by the end of this MongoDB series, you will become master in MongoDB. No boring stuff, no complicated words. Just simple, easy step-by-step learning. And the best part is, most of the big tech companies are using MongoDB. So, you are learning something really cool today. Oh, and before we dive in really quick, if this is your first time on my channel, hit that subscribe button right now. Seriously, just do it. Why? I drop coding tutorials like this all time, completely free. Alright, if you want to learn MongoDB, the first question that pops up in your mind is, what exactly is MongoDB? But hold on, before we even get to that, let's take one step back. You need to know what a database. Because if you don't understand what database is, the MongoDB won't make any sense. So let's break it down really quick. Alright, now let's understand what is database. Imagine you have a notebook. In that notebook, you have write down your friend's name, phone numbers. That is a database, just a place where you save information. Now let's say you also write down their birthdays and their favorite color, maybe their address too. You are addressing more information to your notebook, right? Now whether you need to call someone to whenever you need to call someone or remember their birthday, you just have to open your notebook and find it. Easy? That's exactly what database does, but on computer. Database can be divided in many ways based on how they store data, how they organize it, and how they grow as the data increases. But in today's world, especially for modern developers, the most important difference to understand between SQL databases and NoSQL databases. This is the classification you will hear about almost everywhere. Now let's first see SQL databases. SQL databases is also called relational databases. They store data in very organized way using tables. Think of a table like an Excel sheet. It has row and columns. In SQL databases, the structure is fixed. This means every row must follow the same format with the same type of information. Because of this strict and organized design, SQL databases is a great when the data is clear. For example, banking data, employee details, airline booking, anything that needs proper order and accuracy. Now let's look at NoSQL databases. NoSQL means not only SQL. These databases do not have tables like SQL does, and they don't need a fixed structure. NoSQL databases are very flexible. They let you store data in many different formats like JSON documents, key value pairs, graph. Because they are flexible, NoSQL databases are great for handling huge amount of data. For example, social media post, user activity, senior data, online shopping cart items. So MongoDB is NoSQL database, not a SQL database. So this means it does not use tables, row or columns like traditional relation databases. Instead of MongoDB store data in flexible JSON like documents, where each document have its own structure. And in MongoDB there is no strict rule, so you can add a new field anytime without problem. Because of this flexibility, MongoDB is great for modern applications like social media platform, e-commerce website and mobile apps. Anything which deal with large amount of data or frequently changing data. Next, I will show you how to install MongoDB on your system. Whether you are using Windows or Mac, I will explain installation process step by step for both. Peace out.